On today's episode, we're showing a solution to inaccurate sticker placement. Hi, my name's Connor. At Avid Product Development, we don't just print parts, we engineer solutions. Whether it's a complex mechanical assembly or a small packaging challenge, the engineering team applies their expertise to every stage of the production process. We put the same quality and care into packaging our parts as we do into printing them, but we can still have inconsistencies with something as simple as placing a sticker, until we engineered a better solution. A key service that we provide to our customers is putting their printed parts in their final packaging. In this case here, we're taking the printed parts and applying the final label to the packaging so they can send the parts straight to their customer. The packaging needs to be as high quality as the components inside, which means that the sticker needs to be perfectly centered on the lid. Doing that by hand can be very tricky, so we engineered a better solution. The engineering team came up with this custom solution, which is a spring-loaded sticker jig. It has a small fan underneath, which allows you to place the sticker in the jig, and then you use this spring-loaded action to place the sticker on the lid. So once I've got the back of the sticker peeled off, I'll flip it upside down, place that in the jig, take our blank lid, set that on top, and then press down. This jig makes it easier for the team to reliably and accurately center the stickers on the lid. This is just one example of a tool that Avid has developed to increase efficiency. If you want to develop a tool like this for your own company, use the link in the description below to reach out to us. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for future episodes. We'll see you in the next one.